session by Digital Titans, and this is going to be a session about something very interesting. I don't have to tell you that we are living in a world which is dominated by a lot of spying tools or competitor research tools, as you may call them. Though it says competitor research, I haven't been a big fan of all these tools which claim to be giving you a lot of competitors' information. I use a couple of them. I use in situations where I would want to understand on which display network websites my competitors are showing. I would really want to understand what kind of keywords, just to make sure that I'm on the right path or not. But I would never blindly believe what the competitor research tools give me and use it in my campaigns or in my proposal as such. You cannot deny the fact that we are still living in a competitor research dominated world where we are somewhere bothered about the competition all the while, and then we would need examples of competitor research. Could be from the point in time where you would want to look at what theme a competitor's website is using, to what keywords they're using, where they're showing, what kind of their ads are they running. If you go to Facebook page of your competitors, and there's an option called Info and Ads, where you could look at their ads which are running, competitors' data which is being available in the market, and a lot of strategies are driven by competitors' information that you figure out. While I'm not a judge of whether you're supposed to do it or not, I personally don't blindly believe 100% of it. I only take as much as I need and build my own campaigns on those. Now think about it. Your competitor is showing ads on XYZ keywords. What's the point if you use the same keywords? Because unless you think about it and you do your own stuff, you wouldn't have that competitive edge. So on those lines, my today's session is going to be very, very simple, and all of us at some point in time or the other have looked at a website of a competitor and wondered, what theme is he using? This looks better. Maybe in two cases, if there are two people who have websites which are built on the same theme, with a little bit of customization and change in colors, you can really never differentiate between these websites and say that you can't say that these websites are the same, because there are slight differences. But for all you know, they might be using the same theme. Now, if you really want to understand which theme is being used, this is only applicable for WordPress websites. And if you really want to understand what WordPress theme is being used in a particular website, I have listed down about 5 tools, out of which one of them is a Chrome extension. So let's get started. The first website that I have is called as codeinwp.com, which is codeinwp.com. And the second website that I have for you is whatwpthemeisthat.com, right? And the third tool that I have is WPSniffer, sniffer, which is a Chrome extension. Now you install this Chrome extension and then you can use it to identify what theme a website is built upon. The fourth website that I have is called as scanwp.net, which is scanwordpress.net, which is scanwp.net. The final tool that I have that you could use to find out which theme a particular WordPress website is using is called as wpthemedetector.com. wpthemedetector.com. Now, not just talking about these tools, I would just include a hands-on of how my success has been in using these tools when I wanted to identify a theme a particular website is built. Now, let me also tell you that all these tools have their advantages and disadvantages. There were instances, I checked this with about 20 websites, and there were instances when one tool was giving me the information while the other was not. So my job is to bring you the tools, and please feel free to use them. They're all free. Use them and find out which tool gives you the most success, and start using that tool if you really wish to. So let's jump right in and let's get on to the hands-on to see which tool, what my results were. I'm just taking one website to show you a demo. Let me know what you thought about it. And as usual, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because you mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Until next time, this is Casey signing off. Cheers. Hey guys, welcome back to the hands-on session about identifying what theme a particular WordPress website uses. And first in line is the tool that I spoke to you about, which is codeinwp.com, as you can see here and here. So let's try with what's the website that we would be talking about. And let's say I'm using this particular website, which is called as Extra Pack of Peanuts, which is a travel blog which is very popular among the circuit. And let's say if I take this website and I really want to understand what theme this website has been built upon. Let's go to code in WP and put in the URL, and then we'll be trying, though I said we will just be demoing one website, let me go ahead and show you two websites with each of these tools, so that we get a clear-cut understanding, and we also know the authenticity and the reliability of these tools when we use them in real time. So if I just hit on the search option and see what happens, now it says the author, now this is the name of the theme, which is EPOP15. Now I have cross-verified this, and I have done this before, even before when I started talking to you about this, and it worked. It is actually built on a theme called EPOP. Now let's not just stop there. Let's go to another tool, which is WPSniffer, which is the Chrome extension. So let's add the Chrome extension, add the extension. All right, so this is the extension, and it says WordPress themes sniffer has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extensions by clicking on extensions in the window menu, which is not what we are after. So this is the website that we wanted to look at, and we wanted to identify what theme this website was built upon. Now this is the extension. So let's click on the extension and see what happens. And it says detected WordPress theme EPOP15. Now, if you really want to go ahead and see or download this theme, or to get a preview about this theme, you can search for it by clicking on that, and it will take you to the link where the theme is available. You can either download it, or you can install it or get a preview of that. Now, this is exactly how this works, and not bad so far. So then the third website that I have is WP Theme Detector, which is WordPress Theme Detector. So let's put in the website that we have in mind, and let's see what happens. Now, just because a website is not giving you a theme name doesn't mean that the tool is wrong. It could also mean that that particular website that you were searching for has been custom built, and there is no guarantee that you can be able to find out the theme of a WordPress website at any cost using these tools. I repeat, if somebody has used a customized theme, which is not blindly downloading a template or a theme and using it as it is, there is a good chance that none of these tools will throw up results saying which theme was being used. At the end of this session, I will also include a website which was a custom built website, where you will not be able to find out the theme of the website. All right. Now, EPOP15 is the name of the theme that is being used that we had. And if you click on this and go to that particular link, it will also take you to the page where you can either download the theme or get to know more about the theme and things like that. Got it? All right, so next you have scanwp.net. So I put in my URL and I say detect the theme. It's detecting. Now, some of them have a fast turnaround, some of them have a slower turnaround, but it just makes sense to just wait and watch and see what happens. Now, Extra Pack of Peanuts is built with a theme called EPOP15. If you want to know more about this, you can go here and more information and do whatever you want and find out more information about the theme if you really want it. Now, the next and the last tool that I have is what WordPress theme is that, which is what WP theme is that. And let me paste okay. All right, so this is the URL that I had in mind. No, this is not what I wanted. All right, so now when you do that, it gives you, now this is something that you would have to pay close attention to. Now, while this is it giving us the theme? Okay, now it says WordPress detected, but the specific theme could not be detected. However, straight away, you would have formed an opinion in your head that, okay, now this tool is not accurate while the others are, because all of them were consistent. Now but I would look at the bright side here. I would not get disappointed because I could not find the theme, but I would get real happy to understand what plugins they're using on the website. Now, that's information too. Now, most of the times theme is just a cosmetic change, but what plugins are using, the website is using, defines or determines the functionality that they're after. So that is equally important information. So to maintain consistency, to maintain reliability, I would encourage you to use all these 5 tools and see what works, what doesn't work, and grab as much information as possible so that you can make informed decisions. Now, we will also try the same test with another website. This is an own website that I own. I mean, this is a website that I own, and it's called as the name is kc.com. It's supposed to be a travel blog, which is left halfway through, but let's see what happens. Oops, nothing found at http. The name is kc.com. Please check the URL and try again. Let's go to the URL and see what happens. Now, this is the URL. Now, let me copy it from here. Go back, and let's say I paste the URL here. Let's wait. All right, so now when I do that, now it's showing me the theme, which is called human, which is one of the themes that I searched, and I had a difficult time searching for this theme. But now it's showing you, because maybe the HTTP was missing, so that's why it couldn't show me then. All right, so now let's go to the extension that I spoke about. Now this is my travel blog. Let's click on this detected WordPress theme, and it is used. What the theme that's used is human. So that's 2 good to go. Now third is WordPress theme detector. So let's copy this here and see what happens. I'm pretty sure this would throw up the right result too, because I've not edited much on the theme. I've just downloaded it and I've used it. So this should be able to throw us the right result. So while this loads, let's go back to this, which is scanwp.net, and see if this is able to throw up the result. Let's go back. All right. Now WordPress theme detector shows human is the theme, which is now 3 good to go, 2 more left. Now while this loads, let's go back to this and see what this says. All right. Okay. Now access denied to this. Now now this tool is not able to pick up what theme was being used. Now the name is kc.com is built with human. So in both of the websites that I have tried, both the times what WordPress theme is that.com did not give me as accurate, as reliable information as the others have given me. But as I said, I wouldn't rule this out, and I would use it for getting any additional information. So those are your 5 tools for the day to figure out what WordPress theme a particular website is using. And happy spying, and I hope these 5 tools will help you to figure out what themes all the WordPress websites that you ever wanted to spy upon or track. Thank you so much. My name is Casey. Thank you all for following my channel. If there's anything that you would want me to do, if there's anything that you would want me to make a video about, or if you like something, don't like something, please do not hesitate. Subscribe to my channel and please comment below, and I would revert to you on those things. Thank you so much. This is Casey signing off. Until next time. Cheers, guys.